blue. Oh!
Isn't it so pretty? Guys, guess what I'm doing? I'm cleaning my room. And this is a wrong time for me to clean my room because tonight I'm going to this EDM concert with Jay because he invited us out like 2 months ago and we got tickets and everything. But the problem is tomorrow we have our radiology final exam. So I haven't studied for that. I studied a little bit, but I haven't really studied for that, so I'm not worried for that. But you know, we gotta live life. So I guess I'm stress cleaning right now because like I just don't know what to do right now. It's like overwhelming. But and then I have to go to campus to return this Typodon that we use for waxing. So yeah, so I guess come with me as I try to clean my room as fast as I can. Okay, I am done cleaning. Oh my gosh, my nose is so sweaty whenever I do stuff. But all done cleaning my closet. I'm in the work in progress, but at least you can see the floor, right? So now I head to school right now to return the Typodon because Jake will be there. But I can't just change in front of the camera. And then yeah, I have to go study. Because we're going to the rave and we're gonna tailgate, I'm bringing all the leftover alcohol from the trip to the tailgate. And yeah, and then I'm bringing extra blanket just in case we get cold because you never know. Bringing that. And I don't know if I should put like fairy lights on my car or not, you know, make it all festive. But we'll still see. I don't know where I put those fairy lights actually. Put it, freaking don't know. But anyway, let's get my car all ready. Of course, we need the typical Costco vodka. We only have this much, but it is what it is. And then, of course, we have tequila. And all the twisted tea that I got. And then, of course, Truly and White Claw. I'm gonna bring some marshmallow and chocolate. I might bring these crackers, just in case anyone wants them. And I think I might have to buy some chip, ice. What else? I don't know. Dinner. I don't know. So guys, of course, instead of studying, I am finding anything that is not studying. And for the past like 30 minutes, I've been trying to do my hair because I've been trying to do this like a little braid thing, this little picture. But like when I braid it, because I don't have like different like the highlights and everything, and like I don't have as much hair as her, it just didn't look as well. But I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna keep it how it is at this point. I don't have time because they're gonna come, or Josh is gonna come to my house at 4:30 and it's 2:04 right now, and so that we can drive over to Jake's house, pick him up, and then head over to Red Rocks. So that is the plan, but I am just need to study, but I just don't want to study. So here we're at Red Rocks.
Are we?
Yeah, this is Red Rocks.
Oh yeah.
Do you not see the red rocks right there? Is that, are you colorblind? wait. What color is this?
It's blue.
Oh no! Where's the food, guys? Let's see, let's zoom in.
I see nothing.
I see drinks in their hand.
That's not food.
There's no food!
Come on.
This is our food. We're like Gigi Hadid.
We've had like... Really?
Ready, Josh? Check it.
Alright, you guys take a video.
Take a video?
Yeah, take a video.
Okay.
Of you having a taste of Chicago.
Okay.
Don't disrespect
I was telling about St. Louis and...
No, none of us are idiots.
If it was St. Louis rule, I believe it. Chicago? Hell no.
Okay, ready?
Alright, my lord. They gargle for 4 seconds. My lord.
Cheers!
Oh, you gotta look at the camera as you drink it.
Right now.
Right now. Cheers.
Take off the sunglasses right now.
Yeah, take off the sunglasses. Let me get a good look at your faces. Wish it. given. She screamed. She screamed. That is. Yeah. That's like hiking peroxide, bro. Take it all in. Oh. That's like a journey. That was initiation. Welcome to the family. That is nasty. I'm not doing that. Lord.
No more.
No more of that. That's from the Lord.
Look, what's it? Look. It's a raccoon. It's a raccoon.
No, raccoons have stolen food out of our hands before. Right?
Oh yeah, I
They will
remember.
run up to you and like pull you get
Oh, we got a hot dog.
Hot dog! Hot dog! Let's go out. This is the morning of the exam after the crazy night yesterday. I drank a little too much, for sure, but at the moment I need to review some of the content that's going to be on the exam, so let's get studying here, I guess. Gosh, Justin, 이게 누구야? It's like freaking, what time is it? Almost 1. You're still here when we don't have class. How did you do?
Alright.
So you didn't get the bottom. Look at it.
Trace too small. Oh, that's a plug.
Get him like a napkin. Get him like a cup of water, guys. Cup of water. What type of doctors are you? Stat! It's coming in, guys. It's full setting. That's good. Back.
My nose.
Justin.
Jake can give you a full-ass facial.
Your skin's gonna be. Look how pretty it is. Guys, when it's snowing like this, the best food to eat is shiklaman. Got some jalapeno. The way you can get the spiciest jalapeno is getting the stretch marks. Making sure your jalapeno has a stretch mark will guarantee you that it's going to be spicy. Looking good. I'm being a little fatty here. Yesterday, Fire Hustle had like a 50% deal. So what I did, I just got 2 of the large. And of course, that was a lot for me. So I'm gonna eat half of the sandwich that's left over. I had to throw away the bottom bun because it was too soggy. But you know, still edible. So I'm gonna eat that and then ramen. So good. to slurp. Doing that iconic K-drama slurping. If that makes sense. Oh, he has thorns. Ta-da! This is the creation I made. Isn't it so pretty? I just love it. I wish there were more greens for sure, but I think it's very full and it's, you know, each element pops out even though they're very similar colors. So loving it. Maybe I should add one more eucalyptus here. I might do that. So what I did right here, I packaged the paddleboard, or not paddleboard, the paddle for the pickleball like this. Make it a little extra special. And then I am gonna spray it with the Melrose Place, is that what it say? Perfume. So it smells like roses when she opens it, and hopefully the scent stays. We're opening it. It smells like roses. Okay. Gotta air it out a little bit. Let me put a little bit more. Okay, hopefully you like it. I love my skills. Look at it. Look how good the wrapping skill is. Wrapped in the flowers. Hopefully that'll be okay. So during my shift today, I've been working on operative lecture. That's what I'm working on. And look at outside, it's like snowing a lot. It's like non-stop. But it's pretty, so I guess I don't mind it. Guys, look at the snow! In this middle of April and it's snowing this much. That is crazy. It's pretty though, look at outside.